Vivek and Santosh, today class it is very important how to pass data contact ID based on the contact ID record display on the child component. So we are today it is a very advanced level of the scenario.
Yes, sir.
So got Vivek and Santosh got the function.
Yes, sir.
So now time is feedback. So first of all, I will go with Vivek because hi
Yes, sir.
Vivek, could you please open your camera?
Sure, sir. Hi, sir.
So how was session today? What you learned?
Sir, it was a wonderful session. It was much needed, very much informative, and kind of the complexity we are looking for with the real world scenarios. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, it was useful. We covered LMS, and in the LMS, we covered the updation of the contact record.
Mm-hmm.
So I got the understanding and well
Okay,
implemented
thank
mine.
you,
Thank you, sir.
thank you. Now let me go Santosh.
So thank you, sir.
How was how was
Yeah,
today's session? What you learned?
it was superb, sir. Thank you for explaining one more time.
Mm.
Because of
You joined late, so
yes,
do
sir.
not worry, don't worry. I recorded the session. You can go through.
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
actually, I learned from the LMS we pass the content ID and update the data and display the data in child component. So it was injected to my mind. So I will definitely work on this, sir, and I will
Yeah.
practice more on this
Okay,
Saturday.
thank you. So first of all, you need practice. Practice
Yeah,
make you perfect.
yeah.
Okay.
Actually, sir, today what happened morning from 9 a.m. to back calls without.
Okay.
I have done my lunch. I did my lunch today 5 minutes.
Okay. So
That's
friends,
what.
thank you for joining the session. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Well.